Welcome to UCkids, writing the letter. Hey kids, let's learn to draw sleeping lines. For this, you'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. To draw a sleeping line, we'll draw a line from here to here. Now get your pencil and start writing. Sleeping line, another sleeping line, another sleeping line. Let's draw some more sleeping lines. Small sleeping line, another small sleeping line, another small sleeping line, big sleeping line, another big sleeping line, another big sleeping line, small sleeping line, another small sleeping line, another small sleeping line. Great job! Keep practicing. UCkids.